Yin and Yang in testing. As we mature, we see more opposites, find more bugs, or prevent by being sensitive, automate more, or use human smartness to do less, continuous frequent checks, or smart minimal test, things that seem contrary, creating a tension of choice. It's really not a tussle, it's a perfect state of balance, yin and yang. Let's look at yin and yang in the understanding a system under test. Should I test it completely or partially? Should I know all at one go or progressively? Should I know how it is used or how it is built? Should I understand behavior or structure? Should I understand from stated or explore? Should I know precisely or approximately? What is yin and yang in designing for a system under test? Should I design using spec or structure? Should I design and test or test and design? Design scenarios from user view or technical view? Is it about more cases or few potent? Is the objective compliance or discover? Yin and yang in evaluating the system under test. Should I rely on automation or smart humans? Evaluate frequently or as needed? Should I evaluate dynamically, that is execute, or statically, that is using checklists? How much of check versus test? What is yin and yang in the process of evaluation? Should it be disciplined or creative? Should I think and do or observe, experiment and do? Should I monitor and control or rely on trust? Is it about do and tick or mindfulness and joy? What's really the objective? Is it about finding bugs or sensitize and prevent? Is it about compliance or discovering non-compliance? Hope you appreciate the yin and yang in testing.